Welcome back. Today, we will tackle a challenging SAT math problem using the Desmos graphing tool, which is part of the approved tools for the digital SAT. This method helps visualize solutions effectively, making it easier to handle problems involving systems of equations. The problem we will solve is as follows. Find the solution to the following system of equations. The first equation is y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8. The second equation is y equals x plus 2. Let's open Desmos and input our equations. Type y equals x squared minus 6x plus 8 to graph the first equation. Then, type y equals x plus 2 to graph the second equation. Now that we have both graphs displayed, we need to look for the points where the two graphs intersect. These intersection points represent the solutions to the system of equations. They show the values of x and y that satisfy both equations simultaneously. For this problem, the graphs intersect at the points 1, 3, and 6, 8. Now, let's check our answer choices. The correct answer is option D, which includes both points 1, 3, and 6, 8. Note that option E, which contains the points 2, 4, and 6, 8, is incorrect because only 6, 8 is a valid solution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials to help you excel in SAT math. See you next time.